guys, today's a thunderstorm and I'm scared.
Well, these say AAA?
Yeah. And
okay,
I'm gonna
leave them here. No, don't put them in there. Just leave them there.
Like this. So I don't got no. I just got one subscriber. That's me. And
oh yeah, they were.
I never had a lot, so I really want a lot of subscribers because I want to be famous like y'all guys. I'm not the famous guy in the world, but look at my hair. It looks so precious now. Yeah, it does. It looks like. And go subscribe to FGTV, Ronald OMG, Karina OMG, 6 Plus Bro.
What's that?
Dan TDM.
What's that? What's that? What are you talking about?
Chase's Corner.
He making a video.
And everybody else you like. So you hear that thunderstorm, guys? Look at it. Look at it. Look at this. You see that? You see that outside? I will never ever go out there. If I had to, I will. So
I'm about to close your ears.
So
Take a pee-pee.
My bird's gonna take a pee-pee.
Be quiet.
And I'm about to just sit here. No, I'm going to go. I'm scared. And look at my dog. Say hey, Jersey. Hey, girl. Say hey. And she's scared. And she's scared too. So that's why I turn our lights off.
Charge your phones.
Not on the recharge.
Charge your phone, Jay.
87.
Just in case it go out.
My phone is 75.
Charge it 200.
What? And you can't see me right now because we're in the dark now. You can see me. Oh my gosh, this is so scary, but we cannot see.
You can turn the light on.
You cannot see it now. No, let's let it off. Let's be
Leave it on.
Why?
It's the power bulb, we know.
No, just turn it off. I'm gonna today I'm not gonna be here today. I am, but I don't want to. And I see y'all later, guys. I hope you subscribe it. So subscribe right now after 3. 1, 2, 3. Subscribe.
Big fella.
So
You know y'all still could be on that Smart TV Netflix, right?
and
Huh?
Yep.
yeah, and subscribe to my brother. Ka. I tell you how you spell it. JAKAH. Put it in the search button and subscribe wherever. The search bar, something. And subscribe to all of those YouTubers out there. So I hope somebody subscribe to me a lot because I'm just a little. I'm 7 and I got 1 subscriber, and nobody likes it. So I want to be like God with every other people because I'm the one just not getting money. I just get none. I need more than that, guys. So I'll see you later. I'm going to make another YouTube video. So